Yeah, come make we chill, small. Dream TV for your mind. From Kasoa inside, the place feel proper. Authentic vibes, no long Asia. Come join the family inside the living room.
Inside the living room.
Where big dreams, where we the chair go.
Breaking news. A top official of the Black Star has been confirmed to Sporty FM that the team camp has been robbed. Variables stolen include 2,250 cash and 2 Rolex watches. So this thing, and besides, according to GFA, it says GFA involves Austral police to investigate alleged Black Star camp robbery, as hotel management denies break-in and claims CCTV footage not functioning. Asem we no oti ase a eyeyi so kwampa entasu engineer asem we na GFA omo ka kire no omo no Austral police e ka kire say asem incidents dey see e Black Star camp na omo area 2,250 cash and 2 Rolex watches no wabla CCTV footage enye juma. And also omo ehun say obiala ebu hotel dan no mu hotel ben no mukode ana hotel ben e na semisi a omo ni CCTV footage ana no security. Asem we, how do you understand?
GFO or Black Stars, maybe omo call camp no. Like I don't know, it means many shows some for security because in Kwasi papa.
Oh, like
Kwasi to the extent say obi a ye ene ye bebo friendly match. Ya free players if other countries aba omo like I don't know if who how American people omo ye training. It's like so omo feel
yeah
nti eba omo call training camp omo ye training aye nim say bebo friendly match ene 5 o'clock yani Austria ebebo match abrekura so aye preparation aye ba be call World Cup.
me you see their main thing as crowd say
mebo watch ayera sika na
2,250 cash.
it the tennis na secret ye ni secret to all mo bebo players no ba
And no the GFA omo the extra police omo catch and say Austral police omo catch and say there was nothing like CCTV footage. Any hotel management so deny say obia like nobody break in obia ra
hotel na
GFA
aya den na den yela
den na ye bu ani sika etumeyera what is etumeyera
no wo ba
ye mfutro na mutu agu yani ana
yes no cry no wo ba ye ma hu no cry no.
and you guys are trying to tell us say you some of the players or you the players some of you are thief, right? Yes, that's what you are trying to tell us. If say nobody breaks the hotel and also CCTV bear anywhere and prove say asimesi we and say we no am first kana meaning one kasa na mo camp one mo hotel one or say one start investigation omo hwehwem e one kasa
and after GFA for penny for no mu di Black Stars ni mo omo call Austria ho no omo ni mo majuma.
Yes, because you want to see I say bibi era na say yembu dan ya or say at least yen ya CCTV footage say ampa say na say yen ni dia meaning nyam a ye wa ha e dan yembu ani ese no bi tun ko fa
ni Kwasi papa
aya na
Kwasi to the extent say na obi a ya free players aba camp aye nim say ene ye ba be bo friendly match yes ye koda sorry ya na say yen ke bi nka say that sorry yen ke bi nsi yes players sika yera watches ye hu
aya na ye be ko World Cup and send bi say we kai World Cup bi kusu bi a ye ko ya nsem bebre ko sisi kube na hu sensem e bi ani. How can you tell me say
2014 Brazil so sa
and me king how can you tell us say
the same san
e dan hotel no obi embu e dan ani wo ho na
ade ayera
why This thing, I don't person mutu
magic.
food.
Magic.
Yes.
Person
Person mutu food ready bro.
Some
Bro.
na about fiscal.
Bro.
There some na about fiscal because me
Because oh man, yet me there. Now say we be see when Black Stars camp. The whole Black Stars camp.
na no be share. Ebe affect players.
Yes.
On be share.
Oh me so because now how can you tell me say man maybe a hotel I'm on no security. Now even Monaco here crap. Only the securities of war. Oxygen only the securities of war.
Yet.
Austria hotel no security. What? Bro. No CCTV so what? Bro.
I don't know.
I wish for comment section as na yen hwe dia yen hu dia be because I said what and I want me here dey. What say said the whole Black Stars camp no security, no CCTV. How can you tell us?
Nguasie to the extent say
Enti no maybe
yeni mpenifo mu di Black Stars pro nanim ekọ Austria ona na obi ekọbo friendly match no wa be catch say there is no security yehu kwan fa so yehu so obi so agbowura hotel on mo afa bibi bi ade na yera
I hear sometimes no
aden samanfo na ba hotel
sometimes I say me now person mo catch Ghana for that. Like you guys should know, sir, we are matured enough.
Nana no kra no wo no
yes.
No kra no
But yes, you make sure, sir, you make Jesus way. You make shame. Say Sikana say say you obi of fire you make shame because I say I know guys say hotel any security any CCTV.
Nana no kra no wo for no but say see an impempe currently say e be ma we hu no kra ni say na asem ne tie dia because ye kobo World Cup ye bo friendly match we bia the next game ye ni Germany
$2,250
they say ebe affect ye na your performance e be come kan ene ebe affect your performance na ye be bo against Austria so ahwe be di be 3 na m ka kire wo ebe affect your performance ene say am paid papa nka kire players amomo yi o makuma enti fa ni say me ka Black Stars no e bia me yese me no na e bia me na msika ira na me na me watch highlight. But
one thing is say scan only yen confirm yes say you play BC can say
yen confirm about the yen fan say say me na me more company e me say me no like example me say me no e bia me na ma dey island but say me yen fem ba bontin say player win na dey island say to ada say nti ade e be ni say e be she mumu kran say mu de mu ko bobo ni mai na etire ye be investigating say
bro
it's ball no sumi ntimi mbo
5 o'clock yaw ye bobo match
me say on be
see what has happened
on be shayin ebe degrade players the performance
DFA
on be shayin
Ghanaians we are calling for investigation immediately because I said we can't just tell us say no yen kwalasa bro no I know the bad you know wherever that money is mumpe the evidence embra say asimesi we and our brenti we NFS kanu na Ghana for more to future egu ni ache ase e beko World Cup bia nsem say
Black Stars ye ba be friendly match ye prepare your ho akwa World Cup na o man ben asem we beto England me nya sure
me ti bi da ana
me nya sure
when the sports etiache what nsem we bi da na
so far so
o ma ko camp
say I o man like
yes you the first either club team or national team akwa camp ema omo sika omo no mayira
intense
like and me just say me team there be our sports win there one chance
even if e be simple security is tight because yen Black Stars security is tight it means mo nwe players no
mo nwe so na ka two obi na wo ba na players one to be players because you are telling us said there was no security no CCTV footage
mo nwe players no
nah bro they say so to Ghana it seems like obi ya akwenye na obi apese on fast food fenye bibi
yes
it's allegedly Yen kan sa bet DFA yesrɛ mo baby bia saa sika na fa no munde hu dwuma ema yen yesrɛ mo pa because Ghana akwa po hotels na ade bia almost CCTV yes and with securities and the whole Austria hey yesrɛ mo pa yesrɛ mo I dream TV abusuafo asɛm wei send our city asɛ bia no for comment section ase na yen hu o adwenkyerɛ bra send ya ka no enye no kre ana sɛ dia DFA ka so ye no kra for bra na hu send ya also adwenkyerɛ city